CCTV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ki nongilam kakasi Jaintia Government Contractor and Supplier Association hakan reuterek ujama arja penrio. Ki layakandu yo Menteri Kasorkar Jilla u Bakhmi yakatanat PHE u Markus and Marak. Ban yakaran halor ka Jingbam Pyllait Kasorkar pedeng yaka Pisa bala pentrei yaka Skhim Jol Jivan Mission. Haka jingekaran bat kilat pathai kubor u Vice President ka seng u ba FD Ramsiej u layathu ba ka jingbu kendon bat ka jingpan kelain Kasorkar pedeng ban Pyllait Pisa kala pensosat ya ki kontraktor ki bala pentrekam ya ka Skhim JJM bat u layathu ba kila donru na pedeng ki kontraktor dang khandek banai kila Dkhat no ya la ka jong ka Jingim tang na ka daw ka jingsakut ka bil ka ba kimpat yo asiu satya ya ki baitiar baitar. Ki bainong trei bat kiwe ki jingsiu ki bala nang pelot chua na kapla Lajong. U Markus and Marak ula pentep ba Kasorkar jala kala persyang ban weng yakini ki jing e bat hakju kapor ula pentep ba menteri rang ba on sa Skhim kia ban led yakandu yaki bor badai pet Kasorkar pedeng ban yakaran sani halor kani ka benta.
Tinggalia ban yakaran sibun je ki yakaran bala ne ba Skhim kota ki yakaran ba bunba nakalian itu ni pau ni jadi so kan yo ekala yo kan ya induk ya minister in charge berkat bagi officers juga PHE department de ka jingi keren ke jumi kelomba kejing selam ni ka jingam komtu umbang laju UP mak baka dehi da kejing kebun juga Sarkar India kita ki kot kisla bagi hapan pembiang lagi dia macam officer kibo di kot kibo per dan komentar so slay officer nama apa net nak batsi di dalam ke kiba wat ada kita kisi stiro umat bagi hapan materi pembiang di kot kisla nak we ke por lain nak ai kejin setelah komentar si lomba Nakalian jong minister kalau ba long ini ba kat ba kampat wan naga fond naga central government kalau ba il thau kalat kelenti ke ban penyo na kana no funds ba nomor kata dan ya kena ke kam kalau ba yang ya kren ban gede ke pit ke finance de na kalau yang itu di kini nanti kalau ba kata ke jingong ke joko ke nasi kan yarap ini ke pas ayah asuran mau lano besi rai kemen pakan saja shen ni amar beli kami ya kendung kumne man kepo kene ke bil tika kadang kita kontraktor kiba na yo on penat kita nomor kiba hak tu kiba mensua ke badang yo dangwan ka tikena ka fond ro lomba tip na kay daw ke jing slam jong ki thap party kadang ke jing bon patla ber submit bagi ni ki engineer consent na ki division ki boper ke jing poi slam jong ki bil ki ma shu ban siu itu ko por badan don Pisa ki don ki bala don hadu kuma south slam ro ki don ki bala slam ro te rei bobon pede hi nadu ubenai April jong no snam araja rap sau hadu ta kaba bobon ni ki contractors lo ki khamya yo bin show ga jia bakrau bat ni skwa ban tu ki hangne ha happy ki press ki media ro nakalian ke jongi kom geseng jela pempau ro ki jing susi namar ki don nakalian jongi para contractors ki jongi ke bang nyimkwa ban jer keteng namar ke jing jur pelat ke pressure namar ki simlun na bang ki sim ki tiar na ki dukan ni hardware kemat bahadu bagila suicide yang jadi bro kadang nangne pori ke jongi ida susi ya maka dia ke kum gene te raingi nakalian ke jongi kum ka seng ida karpat ya ki brokot ki pra contractors kelomba ngimdei benle kum ta yin ya ap Indonesia kum kejat benriu ke ba ju klan ke jingmut ke jing berhat kelomba ni soban apil ba ngimdei benle hadu kata bangin sim lagi dong ke diam te nakalian ke pi ro ki kwa ba ke si so don bok ke pau lem ni gede ka pau ke jongi ba ida susi ba ngim kwa iru ba ya thu kerteng mano ita terai kala don ke ba tentang ini kiat nation ke ba jia kum ketaro de mar kata ni nget ba Kasorkar kan sukhya hadu baki breu kan sim lagi jong jim tang namar ba kimio shu ya ka Pisa bala pelut namar ke jingwan ke jing pressure na ki angel ki baper hadu ban poi ta ka hadu ta ka ban Dkhat lagi jong jim la ka ni belum makan siu kan ya ki jing trai ba khak la ngila pendap ba nagliang jong engineer kala pha ki bil hangne ondal awan ke Pisa kalong bakata ni yo ya ke bagila dep trai kat kum ke bakila snai ke bil mengiju penpaman ke por baka bil hadu bala poi hadu kini dia sni hadu kini sni hau hangne po chief engineer kalong ba kumba knai spa krutap kibrang sa ro gedang bu namar ba nagliang jong ni kum ki contractors ki bobon mod kila LSP no namar ba ka jimbomio Pisa kalong mla shu ban krishan di kibadang ya trai belum malar gedon trai kibla shu sangi ano kunturu namar ba kibla shu ban siu no trai ban kitya kitaro Dermar kata kalau lada kan Skhim kam ya bet kan kalau dari ke jingga onong yang ini di kontraktor kalau ro ke jingga onong yang paiba namar ba ke jingga kwa banong ba poi man le thiring long ba kadam la ban urlong namar ba to snap arajara putra takkan do ya makut.
So I've told them many regions, earlier government of India has put so many criteria that you fulfill these criteria, then payment will be given to you. But after completing all the criteria, now so many issues started coming back again. Like Jalankalan. Jalankalan is a kind of a social audit which have to be project-wise ID has to be created, and then it is if it is not functional, the reason thereof, and then if it is functioning very good. So therefore, these are the issues which Government of India has put in. And then other one was operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance part also we have already completed, and Government of Meghalaya has already notified. But now we are stuck up with the 15 Finance Commission tied fund, which was given to the district councils. So now district councils were not given any utilization certificate to the Government of India. Now Government of India is putting a condition that you submit this utilization certificate to the Government of India, then we will start releasing the Jingim fund. So Government of Meghalaya is working on it. Chief Minister had a meeting with different officials, and District Council Affairs Minister has also had a meeting several times. Chief Secretary is also from his level having the meetings round several rounds now. So we are hoping to get this also done, and once everything is done, we are hoping to go through all the conditions that have been given to us. So I have requested all our contractors to have some more patience because we are trying our level base. I personally has already gone to the Government of India. We had a meeting with C.R. Patil ji. We had our officers are regularly having meetings with Government of India officials to fulfill the criteria they are putting up. And from our Chief Minister's level also have given several letters. We are putting our all pressures, but Government of India has not started paying. They have not paid to any states till now. So therefore, I think we are again planning to put some more pressure. I have already requested Honorable Chief Minister again. Since now the mood for BJP is very good. They have won the elections in Bengal, they have won the elections in Assam. This is the good move. I think we should go to Delhi and we should request for these payments and all. That's what my request to our Honorable Chief Minister. So get all kinds of payments and kinds of assistance that Government of India has to do. Thank you. We have several occasions we have gone to Delhi. They have also called our meeting, and we have attended several times in Delhi. Very recently we have gone for a Jal Jeevan 2.0 MOU signing also. There also we had discussed the issues regarding the pending bills. All in the sense, the money was given to the district council, 15 Finance Commission tight fund. The money was given to the district councils. 100 crore was given to Meghalaya through district councils, KHADC, GHADC and JHADC, I think. So that utilization certificate were pending.
Lily, Pikalan.
Kanda pi tharai kan ni ka Pisa.
Kali jauh nak ni? Ba, ke hospital teka lajong nang ni.
Binti aswa hang ni hadu nda de por kamu. What was laitan?
Sister, hap siu kat nama?
Kasorkar kalau siulut ikijing lut jing separo. Namar man kaway pa kaway ka minsim ka long ka koridor.